Hello, little ones. I'm Earth, your big, blue, beautiful home. I have a fun game for us to play together. Let's see how much you know about Earth Day. Ready? Let's go! What month is Earth Day in? January, April, July, or October? That's right, April. Earth Day is celebrated every April 22nd, a perfect time in spring when everything is blooming. True or false, Earth Day is a day to celebrate animals' birthdays. False! Earth Day is for celebrating all the wonders of our world: plants, animals, rivers, clouds, and even the ground beneath your toes. Which of these helps me stay healthy? Picking up trash, planting trees, using less plastic, all of the above. You guessed it, all of the above. Every little act of kindness helps me feel fresh and full of life. When was the very first Earth Day celebrated? 1950, 1970, 1990, 2000. In 1970, that's when people all around the world began working together to protect me. What a special day that was. What can you plant on Earth Day to help nature grow? Trees and flowers, toys, candy, pillows. Trees and flowers. Every time you plant a seed, you give me a tiny green hug. True or false, turning off lights when you're not using them saves energy? True, it's a bright idea, and it helps reduce pollution too. Which season is Earth Day in? Winter, spring, summer, or fall? Spring. That's when birds chirp, flowers bloom, and I feel extra loved. What colors used most for Earth Day? Pink, blue, red, or green? Green, the color of life, leaves, and all things growing. Though I love my oceans too. Shout out to blue. How often do we celebrate Earth Day? Every day, every week, once a year, only when it rains. Once a year, on April 22nd. But remember, you can take care of me every day. I'll always be here for you. Which of these helps animals and the planet? Recycling, drawing on walls, wasting water, leaving the lights on. Recycling. When you reuse and recycle, you help forests, rivers, oceans, and furry friends everywhere. Wow, you did wonderfully. I'm so proud of you. Every time you learn how to take care of me, you help every creature, tree, and drop of water that calls me home. Thank you for playing. And thank you for being kind to your planet. Happy Earth Day!